Do you know how to use the videos ABCDecide from the channel Canal Once in your class? Hi, I'm Yama from YAMA Spanish Language Solutions, and this is YAMA Culture. And this is how I use the videos ABCDecide from the channel Canal Once in my class. So I use the videos only with my advanced classes. So my advanced level. So the very first thing we would do is watch the video, and then the students have to respond to the 6 questions, which are: what is today's theme? Write all the questions from the video and answer them. In the videos, they're going to be questions, and you have to stop and answer them. In which of these 6 themes does it fall? The AP themes does it fall in? Do you have any experience with any of these themes, and elaborate? Add 3 questions that were not made in the video. If there's 3 questions that were not made in the video, please ask them, write them down, and write 3 web pages that could give you more information in Spanish about the subject. Okay? Any 3 pages they think would be useful for them. Also, once they're done with that, on another piece of paper that they're going to actually hand in, they're going to write a forward reading to you. They're going to write in 2 paragraphs the answers, all the answers that they have. They're going to write them and spread them out into 2 paragraphs. Then they're going to explain what the AP theme is that they think this video falls into. They're going to write a formal farewell, and then they're going to hand this letter to you. Now they have two ways to hand it in. They can hand it in paper physically, or they can do it via Seesaw. With the Seesaw, they can take a picture of the paper, or they can do a little video of them reading it or lifting it. Just be creative with it. When I'm talking about advanced levels, I'm talking about 4 AP Language and Culture, 5 AP Language and Literature, Spanish speakers. And okay, what are the positives or the reasons for them to be able to see these videos? Well, first of all, they get to hear another voice in Spanish besides mine or yours. Themes are varied. There's so many themes that they might actually relate to some of these, or they might know somebody that's in this particular situation. Specific terminology that there's going to be. These videos are always educational. Always educational. They're always going to learn something, especially at this age. They're going to be learning a lot of stuff that, whoa, wait, perhaps this a classmate. Oh, I didn't know that this or this. Especially if they have health, the class health. It'll be a very cross-curricular activity that they can do because they had or they have health at the moment. Very important. The people in the videos are young people like them. And the exposure to situations, it helps them because it gives them the exposure to situations and how to be able to respond to these situations. They may not be in the situation, or they would, or they are, but it might just help them. Hey, you know what, little Johnny, he's going through this. Perhaps this could help him. Okay. Oh, no, let's go back. Let me show you what the channel is. Okay, so this is what the channel looks like, and these are the themes. You have teen pregnancy. You have teen pregnancy, let's see here. Medicine, love, in the adolescents or adolescents. Sorry. Tattoos. I mean, there's a lot of themes that just talk about teenagers and what they're going through right now. Okay, that's why it's very very cross-curricular. Like I said, they have health. It will really resonate with them. Anyway, this is how I use the videos. It's a time from Canal Once in my class. No, it's actually ABCDecide in my class. So it's time for some shout outs. Let's see if everybody's looking. Oh, dang. I have Kimberly. And I have a good friend, Daniel Henry. Hey, Henry. This is what live TV looks like, Henry. ¿Cómo estás? Y Bonilla, muy precioso que tienes. Anyway, so that's the next student and an ex-colleague of mine. Awesome people. Also, comments. If you have any comments on the videos or anything like that, please write them down. If you have any questions on anything that how I might put it in class, please ask them. If you have any suggestions, I love suggestions. I mean, that way I can see what I can investigate or I can research. If you think that this could help somebody, please share, subscribe to my channel. If you like it, please press like. Go to my YouTube channel. And if you need any Spanish online classes or like I said, Spanish online classes or English online classes, or translations and subtitles from Spanish to English or English to Spanish, you can contact me. Now, well, I'll see you when I see you. Oh, and a shout out to Gabriel. I just saw you right now. And nos vemos, Majo. Bye.